In this essential Viber tutorial, we are going to learn how to link Viber to your desktop. If you're tired of typing on a small screen, we will show you how to set up Viber for PC or Mac, how to scan the Viber QR code to sync your account, and how to seamlessly move your conversations from mobile to computer. We all love the convenience of mobile messaging, but sometimes when you are working or studying, picking up your phone every few seconds to reply to a message breaks your focus. Plus, typing long messages on a physical keyboard is just so much faster and more comfortable than tapping on glass. I'm your host, and in this complete guide, we're going to bridge the gap between your smartphone and your computer. We will walk through the process of downloading the official Viber for Desktop application and connecting it to your account. It is important to know that this isn't a separate account. It is a synchronized mirror of your phone. We will cover the installation, the security verification using your phone's camera, and the final synchronization step that ensures all your past chats appear on your monitor. By the end of this video, you will be able to answer calls and send messages without ever touching your phone. To get started, you need to have the Viber app already installed and active on your smartphone, Android or iPhone. You cannot create a new account from the computer. You must have an existing one on your mobile device. You also need a computer, either a Windows PC or a Mac, with an active internet connection to download the software. Finally, make sure your phone's rear camera is working and the lens is clean, as you will need it to scan a specific code to verify your identity. Let's begin to set up. First, go to your computer and open your web browser. You need to visit the official website, which is viber.com. On the homepage, you will see a button called Download Viber. Tap it. Now on this page, you will see a button called Download for Windows or Download for Mac, depending on your system. Click that, let the installation finish downloading, and then run the installation file just like any other program. Now tap on Install. Once the installation is finished, open the Viber application on your desktop. I will decline this offer. You will be greeted with a welcome screen featuring a large Viber QR code. This is the security key that links your devices. Now, you need to pick up your smartphone and open the Viber app. On your phone, tap the More button, the 3 lines or dots, in the bottom corner of the screen. Look for a small QR code icon in the top right corner of that menu screen. Tap it to open the camera scanner. Now, simply hold your phone up to your computer monitor and align the square on your phone screen with the code on the computer. As soon as it scans, your computer will log in. But there is one final crucial step. You will see a button on the computer screen or your phone asking to sync your chat history. You must click this button. You will then likely get a notification on your phone asking for approval to sync. Tap Sync on your phone as well. Keep Viber open on both devices for a minute while it copies your recent messages over. Security is very important here. Remember that once you link your desktop, it stays logged in. If you share this computer with family or roommates, you should set up a Viber screen lock in the privacy settings of the desktop app. This forces you to enter a password to see your chats if the computer has been idle. Also, remember that Viber is designed so your phone is the primary device. If your phone runs out of battery or loses internet connection for a long time, the desktop app might eventually disconnect or stop syncing new messages until the phone is back online. What if the QR code won't scan? First, wipe your phone's camera lens. It is often just smudged with fingerprints. If that doesn't work, try increasing the brightness on your computer monitor so the contrast of the black and white code is clearer. If the sync fails or gets stuck, check the internet connection on both devices. They both need to be online for the handshake to happen. If problems persist, closing the desktop app completely and reopening it usually fixes any glitches. So we have reached the end of our guide. We have learned how to link Viber to your desktop to maximize your productivity and comfort. We went through the downloading the official software, using the QR scanner for a secure connection, and syncing your message history so you don't miss a beat. Now you have the freedom to chat from whichever device is most convenient for you. I truly hope this Viber setup guide helps you type faster and stay connected more easily. If it was helpful, please give this video a like. It helps the channel a lot. And if you're interested in more messaging app tips and tech tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below and tell me, do you type faster on your phone touchscreen or on a physical computer keyboard? I am curious to see the results. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.